What's up guys, Joey here for Tech, and OPPO recently expanded its lineup of Reno smartphones, including one of its latest flagships, the Reno Ace. And to celebrate the 40th anniversary of the Gundam franchise, the brand has partnered up with the beloved series to create this, the Reno Ace Gundam 40th Anniversary Edition. Now guys, there were only 30,000 of these produced worldwide, so we're incredibly lucky to have it here in the studio, so let's check it out. So inside the box, we're greeted by this little envelope that not only contains the paperwork, but this really cool 40th Anniversary Gundam Collector's Medallion. Now add that to your collection. Underneath that, we have the Reno Ace itself, and under that, a case that resembles the RX-78-2's shield, the Super Vogue charger and cable, which are also appropriately themed, and the SIM ejector tool. The Reno Ace Gundam 40th Anniversary Edition pays tribute to the iconic Gundam RX-78-2, piloted by protagonist Amuro Ray, from the very first Gundam series, Mobile Suit Gundam. The accents in the smartphone's design are that of the RX-78-2 signature colors, red, blue, and gold. It's mainly metallic silver. The body of the Reno Ace Gundam Edition is pretty reminiscent of the Mobile Suit's frame. In the hands, the Reno Ace feels robust and high-end. It's also comfortable to hold in your hands due to its slightly curved rear. The frosted glass back is pleasing to look at and a wonder to hold among all the smartphones with that smooth, slippery glass. Despite being frosted, fingerprints and smudges still stick to it, so better use that shield case. Housed in a gold-accented module at the rear are the smartphone's 4 rear cameras, consisting of a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 main, 13-megapixel telephoto, 8-megapixel ultrawide, and a 2-megapixel monochrome camera. The module is slightly raised from the body, but it's not bothersome, nor does it make the device wobble on a flat surface. Next to the camera module is the logo of the Earth Federation Space Force, which is the military branch of the Earth Federation in the Universal Century timeline that the series is set in. Below the camera module are the OPPO logo and the Mobile Suit's name, Gundam RX-78-2. They're printed in gold and highlighted with a reflective red band. A little bit further down, we actually have the RX-78-2's face inscribed in gold as well. Up front, we get a sizable 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Smooth. Thin bezels surround the panel, and there's a water drop notch here that houses the 16-megapixel front camera. The top part of the phone is dipped in blue. Apart from the noise-canceling microphone, the top is pretty bare. The headphone jack, primary mic, USB-C port, and downward-firing loudspeaker are found at the bottom of the device that's red in color. On the left, we get the clicky volume controls. Noticeably, the blue-red hues at the top and the bottom of the device extend a bit to the sides of the Reno Ace. And last but not least, on the right side, we get the dual nano SIM tray and a power button a few spaces below it. As with most OPPO smartphones, the Reno Ace's power button has a green accent. So the OPPO Reno Ace Gundam 40th Anniversary Edition packs a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, and a 4000 mAh battery with support for 64-watt Super Vogue 2.0 and USB power delivery. Other features are an in-display fingerprint scanner, face recognition, and support for NFC. So neither the Reno Ace or its Gundam 40th Anniversary Edition are currently officially available in the Philippines, but they are available in China. Chinese pricing should be on your screen right now. Nonetheless, we're taking this guy for a full review, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, Gundam fans out there, what do you guys think about the Reno Ace Gundam 40th Anniversary Edition? Let us know in the comments down below, and of course, stay tuned for our full review. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to notice new future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.